Why I don't do New Year's resolutions. Well, it's that time of year now where everybody's New Year's resolutions seems to be petering out into the far distance. Remember that promise that you made yourself on January 1st? I'm going to lose 20 pounds. I am going to lose and work off the cake that I ate. I am going to stop smoking. Well, by now, I am sure that most of us, if not all of us, our New Year's resolutions are now tapering off. Do you even know the origins of New Year's resolution? Make we go in. Around 2000 BC, the Babylonians celebrated the New Year with a 12-day festival called Akitu. And during that time, farmers would plant crops, crown their king, and made promises to the gods that they will return borrowed equipment and pay all their debts, pay off them court's furniture, and pay off everything with them borrow. Now, this promise to pay off your debts and return borrowed furniture is basically the forerunner to New Year's resolutions. That sounds stressful. Now, the Babylonian New Year was adopted by the ancient Romans, but the Romans shifted the timing of the New Year to January 1st in honor of the two-faced god Janus. January was a special month for the Babylonians because they believed that Janus could look backward into the past year and forward into the upcoming year. Spirit of the living God, fall afresh on me. If the people kept their promises, meaning pay off all of their debts, return the equipment, whatever them borrow. If you borrow somebody frock, if you thief somebody clothes off a line, you return it on January 1st. If everyone kept their promises, then it was believed that the pagan gods would bestow favor on those people for the upcoming year. But if you did not return the people them things, if you did not keep your resolution to return the stuff, pay off your debts, and pay for any equipment or return any borrowed equipment, then you would be the recipient of disfavor from the gods. In other words, you would get a curse from the pagan gods. What a friend I have in Jesus. It's not by deeds that I am saved. So now that you know the history of New Year's resolutions and the origins of it, you can really understand and realize for yourself that there is nothing positive about it. It was not invented in order to help people to be better people. It was not invented for persons to learn to improve themselves. It was just a stress for you pay back something where you borrow. And if you don't pay it back, dog nam your supper. Every year you want to assess yourself. You want to know that you did better than the previous year. You want to improve. You want to be a better person. You want to achieve your goals. I get it. But you must realize, and I put it to you, that life is a continuum. It doesn't loop. Your life is not a series of circles where you go year 1, year 2, year 42. So stop stressing over New Year's resolutions. Remember, your life continues, and each day just try to do things a bit better than the day before. Some months are better than some years are better than some. The 12-month period is only used to mark time. So it's the middle of January, and if you feel like your New Year's resolutions are taking time to don't stress yourself. Just think of life as a continuous thing. Each day you wake up, you try to do better than the day before. You are a continuous flow of energy. You are continually evolving. Be fluid, continue to improve, and most of all, enjoy your life. Mwah. I love you guys.